What up, tubes? So after about 40 years of service, this old Kenmore, she finally gave up the ghost. So I'm down here at the appliance place, and they're gonna give me a little bit of credit for the old one. I'm gonna get a nice used one, preferably a Whirlpool, and that'll go back in my garage, so stay tuned. All right, tubes, so here we go. Got another one, and this one was manufactured in February of 1996. And it is a Whirlpool. $175 for this. Come with a warranty. Now, how am I gonna keep the door from flapping around? I'm glad you asked. Gorilla tape. Gorilla. Gorilla. I've been shopping with this guy over here for at least 10 years. Good guy. Here you go, tubes. Well, if my other Whirlpool fridge's ice maker goes out, I got a spare. These are like 150 bucks a pop. And here's the inside. And once again, there's the model and serial number, and there's the manufacture date. There you go. I like these older refrigerators. Sorry, somebody in a piece of shit was driving by. I like these older fridges. They seem to last a whole lot longer. And the one that I just got rid of was 40 years old. That means it was manufactured in 1985. Have a good day.